Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
You're a law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Nagsinungaling. No. Oh, hindi. Matagal na yun. Sa mga matatanda yun. Oh, katulad ko. So,
May lusot, may gusot.
first go to hell daw. Hindi naman natin alam kung saan siya pupunta, kung may mangyari sa kanya. So, it's between him and his God. Diba? Anyway.
Yeah,
So,
totoo yan. And ma'am, gusto ko na rin idagdag ano. 'Di ba ang pinag-uusapan po dito is his own disclosure sa SOSE niya. Hindi naman po siya 'di ba? I think ito yung mali na mga supporter ni Marcoleta that they are trying to imply that we, the people who criticize what he is doing, we are criticizing the person. No, we're criticizing the disclosure because this is a public document.
correct. So, yung sinasabi na, yung SOSE niya, that is part of what he is supposed to submit. Talagang binabantayan. Lahat naman ng kandidato pinagsasubmit, di ba? It's a requirement kasi. However, nasabi na lusot dun is the SOSE can be complete even if it excludes early money. Legally, naman niyang sabihin, ay wala akong contribution during the campaign period kasi pwede man siyang magsinungaling na, ay during this period, nung nagkakampanya na siya, walang dumating kasi bago nag-umpisa nung kampanya, binigyan na siya ng kanyang marami daw siyang friends. Uy, BP Sara, talo ka. O,
Maraming friends.
mayayaman pa. Oo, mayayaman. Diba? But this is so sad because this opens the floodgates for everybody else to lie and get away with so much bullshit. So, this is actually, yung ruling it didn't create a problem. It actually revealed the problem.
Mm.
Kasi wala pang nangyari before na ganito. Na sa kasat-sat mo, Marcoleta, ikaw lang naman ang nag-promote ng sarili mong kababalaghan. Sinatsat mo kasi sa TV show mo. This whole thing exposes a system where transparency is limited by the calendar, not by the reality of political financing.
Yung
Hindi nga.
pagiging abogado mo to a certain degree para may maniwala.
Plus, he was a sitting congressman when he
Correct.
took that money. Hindi
Mhm.
ba? Hindi ka naman allowed tumanggap ng pera, especially from somebody that is receiving government or who has government contracts like Mike Defensor. Kasi si Mike Defensor ay isa sa pinangalanan niya at si Mike Defensor ay may mga kontrata sa gobyerno. Tumanggap ka ng pera, sabi mo, kay Mike Defensor. Ayun, yung sinasabi mo, Billy, na ay nasira yung credibility.